Hi guys, it's Romina. Welcome back to my channel. For today's video, I'm gonna be celebrating my first 100 subscribers with this beautiful and bright rainbow manicure. So if you like it, please give it a thumbs up and thank you so much for your support. First, I'm gonna be applying my base coat. This is the Peel Off from UNT. I really love this one. It lasts around 4 days on my nails. Then I will go with Soko from Soya. This is a very bright red, and I'll be using a detail brush just to start my rainbow with a very wavy line just near to the cuticle area. And I decided to start with the same color in all my nails at the same time, because if you have tiny fingers and tiny nails as I do, you'll understand the struggle that means to fit a bigger design in a small space. So then I will go with the orange. This is artificial orange, part of the collection that Orly has released for the summer 2021, and I will just continue with the same pattern. If you're replicating this design, you could do it with straight lines. It doesn't really matter. It's kind of abstract, so even the lines don't have to be super wavy and just perfect. It really doesn't matter. And then I will go with the yellow. This is kind of a cheddar color, Tangerine Dream, also part of that collection. And if you haven't seen my video on that collection, I will link it here so you can check that out, along with other nail art that I did with this collection. And look how the colors are just matching together. It's getting really beautiful. Even if you use it with 2 colors, 3 colors, it will look absolutely fantastic. I'm just thinking that maybe with 2-3 colors it will look better like towards the tip, so you can do like a French nail but with the stripes of color. That will look beautiful. And then I use Aruba Blue. This is from Essie, a very pigmented blue, which I really love. And the following color is Synthetic Symphony. This is a very bright purple. I wasn't sure if these 2 colors would look good together because I thought that they could be similar in some way, but they weren't. They were very different and they look amazing together even if they're not part of the same collection. And as you see, I left the space towards the tip of my nail just to fill it out with Kaleidoscope Eyes, which is a very bright lilac. I really love it because it just breaks out the pattern of the lines and it just fill out a bigger space. Then I will apply 1 coat of the Dry Fast Top Coat so the division lines will be smoothed out. And then I will apply this topper. This is Moonstone from Sally Hansen of the line Insta Dry, and it's absolutely gorgeous. Look at those glitters, those shimmers. It really gives the impression that it's kind of a rainbow, unicorn, a magical thing. I really loved it. And then I will apply another top coat because it's kind of a texture with the glitter, and also cuticle oil just to seal this manicure. And this is the final result. I really loved it. Let me know what you guys think in the comments. And as all my manicures, I had to test it under my black light. So this is how it looks like. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye!